My name is Robert Sharp. I'm a professor here at Manhattan College, and this is our new environmental engineering teaching lab. In this laboratory, we teach students, undergraduate and graduate, the techniques and methods used in environmental engineering. And we also do some research in this lab. We also have a whole suite of laboratories that are brand new, which we'll see later, where we're doing a bunch of research with undergraduate and graduate students. The environmental engineering program here at Manhattan College is one of the oldest and most renowned in the country. Our students who come from our undergraduate program, they have a choice during their senior year to either focus on structural civil engineering or environmental engineering. And then when they focus on environmental engineering, some of those students end up working in our laboratories, and all of them, or many of them, end up going and getting work jobs and start their careers in environmental engineering in the tri-state area and beyond. So as we move from the teaching lab, we're going into what we call our contiguous research labs. These are actually called the Hazen Labs. They are sponsored by Hazen & Sawyer, which is an environmental engineering consulting firm. We do a bunch of different research in this lab. Essentially, each laboratory bench is dedicated to a different research project. And currently, I think we have 6 different research projects going on in this lab, being directed by faculty from the environmental engineering and chemical engineering program, and graduate students and undergraduate students, also from civil, environmental, chemical, and environmental science. This is another one of our new labs. This is called the Pilot Lab. This is where we build small-scale versions of treatment processes so we can study them at a larger scale as opposed to on the bench, and then we can scale them up to full scale. One of the projects we're doing right now in this lab is with Brendan McDonough, who is a graduate student here in environmental engineering. He got his undergraduate in civil and environmental engineering and is now doing research in our labs.
I work on the fluidized bed reactor here with world-renowned Dr. Jarris, where we are working on hazardous olive oil waste removal from the Mediterranean Sea. I've been working on this project for a good 4 years now, probably in 4.5 years total in the environmental lab. I started as a freshman. I'll be graduating within the next year as a graduate lab assistant and a graduate lab research assistant. And I've been working on several other projects here for the past 4 or 5 years.
So we have 2 more students doing research here, environmental engineering research. We've got Aaron McWilliams and Jessica Chu.
Yep. This is our rapid small-scale column test, and it simulates a real filter that is at a water filtration plant. It's scaled specifically to do so, and we are testing. Aaron will take it away.
Yeah, so with this column, we're looking for removal efficiencies of emerging contaminants. For example, we're looking into PFOS and PFOA removal, as well as some cyanotoxin contaminants.
Hi, I'm Haley. I did my undergrad in South Dakota, but I'm from Iowa. So yeah, I'm studying the chemical oxidants used in disinfection.
Nobody's wearing that.
I'm out of things to do, but I can
Dr. Chowdhury. He's one of our newest faculty members in the environmental engineering program.
Hi, my name is Mahbub Chaudhry. I'm working here in a research project in collaboration with the industry, where we are looking at the treatability of anaerobically digested sludge. The main project is focusing on the use of coagulants and organic polymers as flocculants, so that we can easily dewater the sludge, because dewatering the sludge is always a big issue for safe disposal of the waste after it is being treated. These are some of the sludges that we have kind of imitated by hand pressing it to what the industry does by belt pressing the sludge to dewater it. So this has been dewatered using hand pressing, and now we'll be calculating the percent solids in the sludge.